Now we have come inside the flower dome, and in the flower dome in Singapore, in the Garden of the Bay, there are many different varieties of flowers which you can see. They are so beautifully grown and preserved. Here you can see a small house with 3 windmills. They are all real plants, and inside this dome also the windmills designs are replicated how they are outside. These flowers, so many different varieties of flowers, many flowers, and this is like a botanical garden in the Singapore with a dome above it, because irrespective of the weather, what the weather is outside, you can enjoy the botanical garden. We have come in the flower dome, and here this flower dome is a botanical garden, and Wahi and Supreet are enjoying in the botanical garden of Singapore, where so many different varieties of plants are given the atmosphere which they need to grow and flourish. The rainwater, the wind, everything is provided to them, and this is a way to prevent the extinction of many of the plant species and flower species which might get extinct. Now they will not get extinct. Wahi and Supreet are enjoying in the garden dome area. This garden dome has so many different plants and trees. ये फूड प्रोडक्शन इन सिंगापुर दिखाया गया है, किस तरीके से सिंगापुर के अंदर फूड का प्रोडक्शन किया जाता है। भाई ये देखो, ये सिंगापुर के अंदर किस तरीके से फूड का प्रोडक्शन किया जाता है, ये इसमें दिखाया गया है। ये वर्टिकल गार्डनिंग करी जाती है, और ये देखो, ये पूरा स्क्रीन पर दिखा रहे हैं कि सिंगापुर में कैसा फूड्स को उगाया और उसको पानी दिया जाता है, और किस तरीके से गार्डन्स को मेंटेन किया जाता है। ग्रीन हार्वेस्ट, हाइड्रोपोनिक फार्मिंग, और यहाँ पर अलग अलग स्पीशीज़ के प्लांट्स और ट्रीज़, जो कि यूरोपियन प्लांट्स हैं और अमेरिकन प्लांट्स हैं, उनको ला के यहाँ पर रखा गया है और उनकी स्पीशीज़ को ग्रो करते हैं। You just enjoying the scenes and beautiful surroundings of Singapore. And in Singapore, this place is called Little India. Little India, it is called because 95% people are Indian over here. 5% are Chinese, but I will going to our room, and I will show you our room in Hotel Yan. It is on the 3rd floor, and moving to our room, you will see that this is a very good hotel. The rooms are not small, and sometimes there can be space shortage in Singapore, but this hotel has a larger room, so we are comfortable. The bed is also large bed, king size bed, and Wahi and Supreet are already ready, and now we are ready to go to Wahi. Wahi has opened the door, and as you can see, this is our room. Okay. Only room. Acha, only room. Okay. We are now on the streets of Lavender, and it is the Horne Road. This road is the Horne Road, and there are many different types of roads in a single Lavender, and these roads identify the different landmarks. Here there are many other type of grocery stores like this. Fair Price is one of the grocery store like the 7-Eleven. Now I am going to show you a very unique bike covered concept, and this bike cover is covering the complete bike, and this has 2 tires in the front, and it has a small. Here there are many very tall skyscraper buildings, and these skyscraper buildings must be residential buildings, and these residential buildings, for these shops are there for their day-to-day work, food and restaurants. We have a Burger King on the right side, but this Burger King serves the only meat burgers. No vegetarian burgers are available in McDonald's and Burger King in Singapore, because people don't eat the vegetarian food. Now we have come to the Lavender metro station, which is just under the V Hotel. So if you are living in the Hotel V, the metro station will be just under your hotel, and you can take the metro to any place you want. This is the Toast Box shop, and very unique e-bikes with the. I want to try some of the non-vegetarian foods. हाँ ले लो.
आग निकली नहीं आ रही भाई, धूप आ रही है बेटा.
इस तरफ धूप आ रही है ना. वीडियोस बन रहे हैं. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? आप लोगों को जू आके कैसा लग रहा है? हम लोग जू पहुंच चुके हैं, और अभी हम लोग जू की टिकट लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं. यहाँ पर KFC भी है, और वाइल्ड मार्ट है, हैगन डाज है, बिस्ट्रो ये है, और एशियन डिलाइट डिलाइट्स एंड कोमेल बिस्ट्रो है। और आज हम लोग रिवर वंडर्स करने जा रहे हैं। और ये रिवर वंडर्स हमने अभी तक नहीं किया है। ज़ू तो हम लोग 2 बार कर चुके हैं, एक बार चाइना में और एक बार हम बैंकॉक में भी ज़ू कर चुके हैं। लेकिन रिवर वंडर्स हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ से करने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ सारे बच्चे रिवर वंडर्स में घूमने आए हुए हैं। रिवर वंडर्स फर्स्ट टाइम। नहीं, जो अब हम ले लेंगे ना, हम अपने कैमरे से खींच लेंगे। अभी देखो, ये जो है ये रिवर वंडर्स है। यहाँ का पूरा रास्ता है ना, देखने तो दो कहाँ जाना है। ये देखो, ये पूरा रास्ता है और यहाँ से ये पूरा रिवर वंडर्स में हमें ये जाना है। We are entering into the river wonders, and this is the entrance of the river wonders. As you can see, everywhere when we go inside it is air conditioned, so no problem if there is warm outside. You will not feel warm because everywhere inside it is covered. And just see different fishes. These are the different fishes. They are, and the water is flowing from the trees to the river. Supreet and Wahi are enjoying in the river wonders. Although we started late from our hotel and we came at 4 o'clock to the river wonders. We reached at 4 o'clock. River wonders can be completed in 2 hours. So only 1.5 hours we have. And you can see the aquariums are open from above and fishes are floating inside the aquariums. These all are the river fishes which we cannot see from above. These fishes are the river fishes. We have never explored the river paradise. This fish, elephant nose fish and eastern bottlenose fish. These black fishes are the elephant nose fish because they have the bark like an elephant, and then there are these big fishes. These big fishes are grass eaters. Salmon, bichir, hippo point salmon, These fishes, as you can see, they have a very distinct look. Whenever we have seen fishes in the fish market, when we have gone to buy fish for eating, we never realized that they look so beautiful when they are swimming in the river, and these are all the river fishes. Such a different variety. You can't believe how beautiful these fishes look. I have never seen such a beautiful fishes and big fishes. I have a fish in my house in Lucknow. I feed her and I change her water every 4 days or 3 days. These fishes are so beautiful and so big. What a paradise it is in Singapore. Many fishes, they are given an habitat, like the water is flowing from above to the ground and in the river, and these river fishes live their life. These fishes have small children, and these children are doing their work of growing and becoming bigger adults. Just see how beautiful the river life is. There are different types of fishes. These fishes make their home inside the river rocks, and these river rocks give them places to live. This is a double jaw and extraordinary chichlids. These are the names of the fishes. Some aquariums have very big heights, and the fishes in that aquarium are very big fishes. As you can see that this fish has teeth. As you can see, we are in Singapore, and in the Singapore there is a Ganges river board. This river is the river of the faith, which is connecting the Gangotri from Gomukh. It starts the river of Ganga and passes through Varanasi. It is a river of faith. So many Indian posters and banners. See, they have put that the Ganges is in trouble. Everywhere in the world, in Singapore they have written, careless dumping turns Indian holiest river into toxic cocktail of human waste, industrial chemicals and partially burnt corpses. People risk their health when they drink and bathe in this river. See what the people of Singapore thinks about the Indian people, that we are not keeping our river, our holy river clean, and putting all the waste and dumping all the waste in our river. This is not a very good sign for us, that people from Singapore, who are basically Chinese people, they also know that we are not able to keep our river clean in India. But then also, because our river is a holy river, we should put extra effort in cleaning and not dumping the waste in our holy river of Ganges. That is the Ganga river. Now we are going ahead. A show is going to start at 4:30 and we will be going inside the show. See how this river paradise, in this river paradise, this besides the fishes, there are other wildlife. These tortoise and monkeys are there. They together live in harmony. How big these fishes are, you can just imagine by seeing the aquariums. These aquariums are so large and the size of the fish is also very big, and these fishes are able to survive in these environments, and different type of other species who are available are also given shelters in these areas in the river paradise. As you can see, these river paradises, different type of fishes. I don't know whether this is a living creature or not, but these fishes, long fishes, snake fishes, are living creatures. And because I have to go to see a show, and this show is going to start, just see the tortoises. They come up, take up air, then go back inside. Such a beautiful aquariums are made. How big these fishes are and how beautiful and different they look. We have never seen this type of giant fish. Hello. यहाँ पर साइकिल चला के आप अपनी एनर्जी को देख सकते हैं, और एनर्जी को देख अभी हम लोग शो के लिए जा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पांडास के पोस्टर्स लगे हैं. मुझे लगता है पांडा शो इज़ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. इतना ठंडा है ये, और हम लोग पांडा के उसमें आए हैं. यहाँ पे ये पांडास ओपन है, और something to feel proud of, that we have come to the endocrine lab. This lab works on the species of panda, what they eat, how their habitat is. As you can see, this is a panda sleeping. These pandas have been given the environment, a cold environment, as they want. They were from their own land. I think the pandas are from Australia, and Australia is a cold country, So these are given a air conditioned environment so that they can enjoy. This panda is relaxing in the afternoon on the rocks, and the environment given to this panda is like it is his house in Australia. We are in a panda hut, and this panda hut is made inside a dome, and this dome has been given the environment which an Australian panda needs. This environment consists of air conditioning because they live in cold environment, and water bodies with jungle feeling. See, this is the Mama Panda kitchen paradise, and here the Mama Pandas were sitting inside their house. It was a very nice place to hang out with family, and now we are crossing. There is a boat ride, and these boat rides are there in the river, and as you can see that we have come halfway journey, and we are here, and now we can go to this side as well as this is the beautiful Singapore river paradise. Everyone over here is enjoying